Okay, guys, let me tell you what I'm dealing with. Let me see if I can get down there. See the ride height off the ground? Roughly about 5.5, 6 inches, right? But these shocks, I think, are going down and not coming back up. Because let me show you what happens. It goes down and doesn't really come back up much, especially with the weight of 4 in there. So I think if I change those out with these coilovers, it might make a difference. So let's see. All right, we got one side done. Pretty close right there. Pretty close. It's not touching, but one on. Now we got one more to do. See if it goes a little smoother. Now I got an idea. Alright, so we got it on there. It looks good. Let's see if we get a better light. That's good. That's good. Alright, let's see how it bounces back. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And we actually got some shocks. Very good. All right. All right, look. This is the one that came off. And as I thought, when it compresses, it doesn't come back open. For example. So it went down, it stayed down. Alright guys, we just got done test driving it. One thing I noticed was when you hit a crack or a bump, it sure takes it a lot smoother than the other ones did. Of course you still feel it, but it's a whole lot smoother. Looks like we're still pretty good. It's holding it wherever it's at, so that's more than the other one did. It was up, down, up, down. I think it did pretty good. I like it. Very good. I'm very, very pleased. Check the inside bolt here. Oh yeah. Inside bolt there. Oh yeah. That's it. We're good.